So it's meant to go through the odd angles that we put valleys on and fill these ribs up with foam. So the trick is going to be take the screws out about 16 inches back that you've already put in. The screws should be an inch or two away so that they don't end up being on the wrong side of the valley foam. So what you got to do is take those screws out and then lift it up and stick it underneath that edge. Kind of fun sometimes because you got meat hooks on that cut edge, and you slide it underneath there with the sticky side, which would be this side here, and it turns into clear right there, down underneath. And then we'll show you how you can just peel it all off as long as you keep it low. Roll. There's a little strip to help you grab it. Putting that underneath there. Now you want to keep it low, or you're going to end up cutting your peel off, and you'll have to reach under there and get it again. It's kind of a pain. But you just keep it low, and it ends up sticking like that. So that's me cutting it. So I have to reach under there and grab it. But anyway, you just keep peeling it up, and then that will stay in place, and you put your screws back in. There you go.